This footwork can help you jump rope longer and faster. The problem is a lot of people mess it up because of a few simple mistakes, leaving you here. I'm going to show you what not to do and teach you how to learn it fast in just 5 easy steps. Let's go. First, practice the footwork without the rope. This helps you get the movement right before things get tricky. Most people make 3 common mistakes. First, they lift their knees too high. That makes it slow and clunky. Second, they stand up too straight. That puts them in a bad position. And third, they try to go too fast, and that messes up everything. So take your time, go step by step, and you'll be great. But what should you look like? You want to be in a strong athletic position, almost like you're about to sprint. Lean forward just a little and keep your feet low. You only need to lift them about 3 inches off the ground. Practice this until it feels natural. Now grab your rope and try just 2 jumps. We do this so we don't get overwhelmed and can feel confident. Here's how to start. Hold 1 foot up and keep the rope behind your legs. As the rope swings forward, switch your feet. The one in the air comes down and the one on the ground comes up. The rope should pass under your feet as you switch. Think of your feet like pistons in an engine. They go straight up and down, not all over the place. Remember the athletic position? When you lean forward, your hands might drop too low. That makes the rope hit the ground too soon and bounce into your feet. To fix this, imagine your hands are on invisible shelves. Even when you lean forward, you want to keep them on those same shelves by bending your elbows. This keeps your hands at the same height and your rope just skimming the ground. Now this part does take practice, so don't worry if it feels weird at first. Next, let's do 4 jumps in a row. Just like before, then stop and reset. That means you'll do 2 jumps on each foot. If it feels easy, you can try going a little faster, but just add a little speed at a time. Speed can actually help. A faster rope can feel tighter and easier to control. Next, try doing 8 jumps in a row. That's 2 full rounds of switching feet. Feeling good? Great. Now play with your speed a bit. Going faster helps build skill and makes your regular jumping speed feel much easier. That way, you can jump longer without getting tired. Now try doing the alternate leg jumps for as long as you can at your normal speed. Focus on these key things. Keep your hands in the right spot, around hip height. Spin the rope with your wrists, not your arms. And keep your form clean and consistent. Consistency is always key. This will help you build stamina and get really comfortable with the move. But don't forget to take breaks when you need them and don't jump too long, even if you're excited about breakthroughs. That's how I developed shin splints in the past, and that was no fun. Instead, I recommend set a timer. 10 to 15 minutes is perfect if you're just starting out. Once this feels easy, try mixing it up. Jump 1 to 3 times on 1 foot before switching. It makes it more fun and teaches you how to adjust your footwork quickly. Ready for the next step? You're about to learn the most important move in jump rope. It helps you switch between cool tricks and footwork, and I'll show you how to do it right here.